The catalytic converter cleans harmful gases from your car's exhaust. If it goes bad, your car may show several problems. Here are some simple and clear symptoms of a bad catalytic converter. If your catalytic converter isn't working properly, your car's computer will turn on the check engine light. This is one of the first signs something is wrong. If your car feels slow or doesn't pick up speed like it used to, your converter may be clogged and blocking exhaust flow. A bad converter makes your engine work harder, which means your car uses more fuel than usual. When the converter isn't cleaning the gases, dark or black smoke may come out of the exhaust pipe. If the inside of the catalytic converter breaks down, it can cause a rattling noise when you start the engine or drive. A bad converter can cause the engine to misfire, which feels like jerking or skipping while driving. If your catalytic converter is completely clogged, your engine may struggle to start, or may not start at all. A clogged converter can cause too much heat under the car, which can damage nearby parts or cause overheating. If your engine feels weak or doesn't respond well when you press the gas pedal, the catalytic converter might be the reason. Sometimes a bad converter makes strange noises from the exhaust system, like hissing or popping sounds. A blocked catalytic converter can trap gases in the exhaust system, causing high pressure that affects how the engine runs. If the converter overheats, it can cause smoke or heat to build up under the hood, which is a serious warning sign. When your car struggles to go uphill or pull heavy loads, the converter may be blocked and holding the engine back. If your converter is clogged or damaged, your car might shake or vibrate more than usual, especially when idle or accelerating. Your engine may suddenly shut off or stall if the converter gets too clogged and can't release exhaust properly. A failing converter can overheat, and you might notice a burning smell coming from the dashboard or under the car. This smell often means the converter is clogged and the engine is working too hard. If your car can't go fast on highways like it used to, the clogged converter may be holding the engine back. If you are visiting the fuel station more often, even though your driving habits haven't changed, a bad converter might be the cause. If you are refueling more often without driving more, a faulty catalytic converter could be wasting fuel. At high speeds, your engine might feel like it is choking or losing power. This happens when exhaust gases can't exit properly due to blockage. A bad catalytic converter can cause many problems for your car and the environment. Fixing the problem early can save you time, money, and bigger damage to your engine. Taking care of your converter also helps keep the air cleaner for everyone.